I just thought I'd share with you some discounts off advent calendars on the Look Fantastic website I've just recently found. I'll give you prices for using my code on the website, but also there's currently 25% off the app, so I'll give you those prices as well. Starting off with Glossy Box, no app discount, but it costs £80 and it is worth £473. Using my code DiaryLF, it brings it down to £63.18. Next, Esper, which costs £175 and is worth £419. Using my code on the website will bring it down to £138.24, but purchasing it on the app, it'll bring it down to £131.25. Next, Mac, which costs £170 and is worth £485. Purchasing it off the app, it will bring it down to £127.50. Then we got By Terry, which costs £197 and is worth £520. Using my code on the website will bring it down to £155.62, but purchasing it on the app, it will bring it down to £148. We got Makeup Revolution Pro. It costs £36 and is worth £96.49. If you purchase it off the app, it will bring it down to £27. We've got Rituals Classic, which costs £87.90 and is worth £150.50. If you purchase it off the app, it will bring it down to £65.92. We got Nooks, which costs £64 and is worth £129. Using my code on the website, it will bring it down to £64.77, and on the app, it will bring it down to £55.50. Got Lumine, which costs £94.90 and is worth £235. Using my code on the website will bring it down to £74.96. And on the app, it'll bring it down to £71.17. Got Invisibobble, which costs £29.95 and is worth £124. Using my code on the website will bring it down to £23.65. Purchasing it off the app will bring it down to £22.46. Got Lizelle, which costs £65 and is worth £173.50. Using my code on the website will bring it down to £59.24, or purchasing it off the app will bring it down to £56.25. Armani costs £229.50 and is worth £450. Using my code on the website will bring it down to £213.39. Purchasing it off the app will bring it down to £172.12. OPI costs £69.90 and using my code on the website will bring it down to £55.21. Purchasing it off the app will bring it down to £52.42. Then we've got the Revolution Miracle, which costs £44 and is worth £91. Using my code on the website will bring it down to £43.44. Purchasing it off the app will bring it down to £33. Molten Brown, which costs £210 and is worth £329. Purchasing off the app will bring it down to £157.50. As you can see, purchasing off the app will give you a bit more of a discount than using my code off the website, but I wanted to give you both discounts in case you prefer purchasing off the website or the app, and I don't know how long these discounts will run for, but all details and links will be listed down in my description to make things easier. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.